Have you ever wondered what kind of machines would it take to construct a skyscraper like the Burj Khalifa? Well, today we'll help you name the most powerful gigantic machines in various industries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get it on. The weight of a marble block can reach up to nearly 500 tons, but that's no big deal for the Caterpillar 993K wheel loader. Now we can spend some time sleeping on how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. Say hello to the Liebherr LRS 545, a machine designed specifically for handling wood. With a large pipe crane that can rotate 360 degrees, nothing can stop it from completing the job. Now, harvesting wheat will become incredibly swift thanks to the special CR11 from New Holland. The grain tank has a 567 bushel capacity and can be completely unloaded in under 100 seconds. Wow, it looks like the X9 1100 from John Deere has got a new competitor. The Komatsu PC1250 excavator is one of the popular choices at construction sites. So being equipped with a longer crane can turn what seems like a challenging deep excavation into a leisurely stroll. The high-speed train project in Indonesia uses Kometo's enormous bridge girder transport. The transport vehicle looks like a centipede with 200 wheels equipped. I'm not sure which license is required to drive this vehicle, but one thing's for sure, the driver must have risked it all. If Thanos' snap could make half the world disappear in a moment, then with just a gentle squeeze, Woodcracker can effortlessly split the thickest, the most stubborn logs. In areas where the ground is so hard that even the D11 excavator surrenders, then it's time to hand over the job to a superior beast. Introducing the customized Cat 6015, with a bizarre digging blade ready to tear apart any piece of land. If you feel the screen shaking, then it must be the appearance of the world's second largest icebreaker, 50 Let Pobedi. The ship's name is related to the Soviet Union's victory in World War II. Therefore, to live up to that name, even 16-foot thick ice floes have to surrender to it. Next up is the debut of a machine that handles the screening and sorting of different materials. From concrete to metal, even compost can be screened effectively and inexpensively. Reliable protector of the field from diseases. Not only saving fuel, this machine also achieves good performance values, with annual output increasing up to 25,000 hectares. Sunfish John Denol's trenching machine. The chain cutter allows clean and precise trenching, limiting ground disturbance. Meet Karen, the monster with a taste for concrete. Just one bite is enough to make her appetite unstoppable, until everything becomes shattered. The Willow Harvester is a special upgraded version of the powerful Pryneth Panther T16. It can carry 17 tons of materials, conquering all terrains. Adding to the list of surface destroyers and rock miners, the 1150 Evo with Evo technology ensures the best performance on hard rock, increasing productivity and reducing maintenance costs. The performance of the hydraulic shear at 5,000 psi pressure, producing 300 gallons per minute, caused the truck to lose its original shape. This is a high-capacity, self-propelled snowblower, especially designed for snow clearing operations at airports. It comes with a unique flying cap that provides optimal visibility during inclement weather conditions. Unable to be destroyed by explosion, the 162-meter-high tower was cleared from above using a remote-controlled excavator to cut it into pieces. The OI was the last rotary snowplow purchased by DNR-GW in 1923. Under the power supply of two K36 Mikado steam locomotives, the machine played an indispensable role in maintaining the railway operation during harsh winter weather. The title of the largest dump truck on the planet belongs to Balaz 75710. When fully loaded, its weight can reach about 850 tons, equal to the actual weight of two giant Airbus A380 passenger planes. Zell's planter has answered the question, how to sow seeds over a large area in a short period of time? I'll bet this guy could plant more in a month than all of humanity could just 200 years ago. Dual and multi-blade rock saws allow perfect, repeatable, precise parallel cutting. With multi-blade saws, the time spent setting up cuts is reduced, as the excavator does not need to be repositioned as frequently. Drain U's Euro Drain ATR 450 is highly rated for its performance and cleaning ability in tasks related to clearing drainage systems. If reaching dreams seem far-fetched, take a look at the Liebherr R9250. With its extended dual arms, everything can come true. Resembling a train from afar, but it's a quad train, the world's largest fuel-carrying convoy. With a total weight of 186.5 tons, this convoy can transport 158,000 liters of diesel per trip. Dynamic compaction serves as a method to improve the ground. Reducing the liquefaction effect and risk in extreme cases like earthquakes. Similar to dynamic compaction, RIC is a method of compressing granular material to a depth of up to 15 feet. The Volvo excavator has been improved in efficiency and intelligence compared to the previous G series. The excavator and its 7-meter-long bucket work together smoothly to clear the pile of beets. To exploit hard stones and marble, cutting them into large blocks is essential to facilitate transportation and avoid material waste. The Fentini development team has created saws capable of cutting smoothly, like a hot knife through butter, which can be attached to tractors and cut from any direction. Longhole XXL liquid fertilizer mixer. Strong stirring is good mixing. The 37-meter-long giant arms can flexibly mix fertilizer within a 370-degree range. Compared to using excavators or other equipment, this cleanup solution is quite ideal for reclaiming small materials in large warehouses or storage yards. Would you dare to test drive the P&H 4100 XPC if you had the chance? The machine is designed to operate in mines with high production but still maintain low costs. Its power is proven when it only takes 3 scoops to make the Caterpillar Cat 793 leave heavily. Using giant chains to remove the remaining roots and mixing limestone to prevent soil erosion, this leveling method helps save fuel, reduce soil disturbance, and enhance productivity. The railway construction machine is tasked with renewing the sleepers and rails for the Hanover-Göttingen high-speed railway line. With 3 portal cranes, it achieves high efficiency with 14 sleepers per minute, a level of performance that equivalent machines cannot match. The SUZW 500 is truly a giant, not just in size, but also in power. With the ability to control this extreme climbing vehicle, the driver must be a hardcore fan of Spider-Man, huh? The bucket can be flexibly attached to your excavator or skid steer to turn it into a multi-purpose tool for screening, sorting, and loading all in one operation. Let's move from construction sites to lush forests and witness how the clambunk skidder transports logs. With a large clamp and a 6-wheel drive system, it saves costs for logging in swampy areas. The crawler crane produced by China holds the title of the largest and strongest one in the world. Thanks to its long reach and flexibility, it is perfectly suited to handle huge load construction projects. The rotary stick is the perfect device for land leveling and conversion. Enroll in the list of the world's largest machines with one pass trencher. It is hard to find a trencher that can surpass its capacity to dig trenches up to 160 feet deep. The SLR series robot is designed for heavy-duty tasks in high-temperature environments. Don't underestimate its flexibility. Apart from handling forgings and unloading rotating furnaces, it can crush a car in the blink of an eye. Hansung Ultra Series, the best contributor to pest control of rice farm and animal disease control. Look at how it works. We probably don't need to explain much in words about how powerful it is. Board piles are one of the solutions for foundation treatment, meeting the strict requirements of load bearing. And Liebherr LB36 will fulfill that task perfectly. The rotary drilling rig for deep foundations, produced in 2013 with a length of 12 meters and a casing diameter of 2 meters. In the thick blanket of snowfall, the transporter still diligently does his job. The Manson-Yen 120 is a versatile hydraulic crane with multiple applications. Thanks to the HybriLift energy saving system, energy consumption is reduced up to 35%, helping to save on operating costs. The Rimpull SH1000 salt harvester, designed in 2018, can produce 1,000 tons per hour, depending on the specific terrain. With the latest intelligent technology, this guy is a fully automated, battery-powered top hammer longhole drill designed for underground mass mining in 4x4 meter or larger production drifts. Get ready for the Komatsu L2350, the excavator that makes loading seem like a piece of cake. It can enter load haulage trucks with payload ratings ranging from 320 to 400 tons. The name Nessie was given to a submarine cable trencher in 1988 when an order was received to lay a telephone line. She was spontaneously given the name Nessie when someone asked what the bales of straw in the submarine cable trencher were for and was told, "That's feed for Nessie." Key's Track B70 is an efficient and productive jaw crusher, which has been manufactured in Belgium. It is designed to work with hard rocks both in quarries and in mines. Cutting down trees in urban areas requires accuracy, which is where the Lumberjack LJ450 comes in handy. You will be amazed by the scale of this spraying machine, which can cover up to 190 feet with its 2 arms. It is estimated to be 50 times that of a normal person. Enjoy filling up the warehouse without any manual intervention. The versatile amphibian sludge suction machine is the perfect solution for river pollution issues. Its underwater suction pipe can reach depths of up to 6.5 meters. Logging on slopes requires a skillful machine, and the Timber Pro TL755D is that machine. With the support of chains, it can easily move during the tree cutting process. When the giant pays a visit to the field and swiftly harvests all the wheat. But remember not to wake him up at night, otherwise... In construction, the skill of the workers is indispensable, but in this case, with the Tiger Stone, that might become meaningless. So, our first video about heavy machinery has come to an end here. Let us know your thoughts about these giant guys by leaving a comment. See you in the next videos.